Assalamu alaikum and welcome to lecture 4 for AutoCAD. In this lecture I will show you how to draw a simple floor plan in AutoCAD from scratch. So for this, first we have to set our units, then we will define the layers, then we will draw the walls, then we will fit the doors and windows in our walls, then we will put the text and hatching, then we will fit the columns, and finally we will put the dimensions. So let us start by defining the units. For our drawing, the units are millimeter, so we will set our units as millimeter. For this you have to type UN from your keyboard, press enter or space. Here the units are already millimeter because the default units for AutoCAD is millimeter. You have to set the precision. It is recommended to set the precision as 0.00 or 0.0003 or 4 degrees after the decimal. So I will take 0.000, then I will click OK. After that we will define the layers. In our drawing we have the layers for doors, windows, text, we have the layers for dimension, and we have the hatches and columns. So we will define the layers by clicking on this layer properties. If you don't know about the layers, I will recommend you to watch my lecture number 3 in which I talk in detail about the layers. So here I will quickly define all my layers. So my layer number 1 will be wall. For wall I will take blue color, and usually I increase the wall thickness, so I will increase the wall thickness to 0.4. Then layer number 2, window, I will change the color for window. I will take pink color, click OK, and for window the thickness will be default. My third layer will be the layer for door. For door I will take pink color, then we have columns in this drawing. For column I will take red color, then we have hatching. For hatching I will take cyan color, then we have the dimension. For dimension I will take green color, then we have the text. For text I will take yellow color. Now click OK. So all my layers are there now. Now I have to draw the walls. For this I will select the wall layer first, and then I will draw my walls. So my walls are, first I will draw these exterior walls, then I will draw the interior walls. So this exterior wall is 1.5 meter by 9.5 meter. So dimensions are in millimeter. So I will take the shortcut for rectangle REC, click anywhere on the screen and give the dimensions. First the horizontal dimensions and then the vertical, 15,000, 9500. Click enter. Then we have the exterior wall thickness is 250 mm. So this is 250 mm. So I will take the offset O, enter, 250, enter, click on this rectangle, click on the outer side. Now I will draw the interior walls. So this bedroom 2 is 5150 mm and this air vent is 3000 mm, which means 3 meter. So in this case I will take the line command. I can use the tracking option now. I bring my cursor on this endpoint and just move my cursor. Once you see this dotted line, it means you have the tracking option. So 5150. So my line has started from 5150. So it is better to switch on the ortho if it is not switch on for you. And I will give the wall thickness straight away. The interior wall thickness is 150. So I put it like this. After that I have this 3000. O enter, 3000 enter, O enter again, 150 mm. Now this bedroom one is 4850. So I can use the tracking option here because I cannot offset this. If I want to offset this rectangle, I have to explode this. Either I can explode this rectangle or I can use the tracking option. Take the line command. I forget the dimension. What was it? 4850. So I take the line command, bring my cursor down, 4850. So my line has started from 4850. So you have to be careful. You don't have to click on this midpoint. You have to click on this perpendicular. So this should be perpendicular to this point. This point should be perpendicular to this point. Now I will give the offset. O enter, 150 enter. So all my walls are there. This kitchen wall is remaining. First I will trim these walls, these extra walls. TR double enter. Now I will put this kitchen wall here, which is 3350, 3.35 meters. So I will take the line command, bring my cursor here. I'm using the tracking option 3350. So my line has started from 3350 mm and I have closed my line here, and I will give the offset. O enter, 150 enter, and like this. So all my walls are there. Now what I have to do, just I have to trim these extra portions. So TR double enter. Like this, I will trim these extra portions which are not actually in the drawing. So I will trim this thing. So I'm cleaning my geometry, and I think that's it. I have trimmed all the extra lines. So my geometry, the walls are completed now. Now I will draw these doors and windows. So the dimensions for my windows, first I will draw the windows. I have two windows. One is 150 by 1500 by 150. So I will select the layer for window, then I will take the rectangle REC, give the horizontal dimension first 1500, press comma or tab and write 150. So this is my smaller window. It has the symbol of this window is like this. It has 25 mm line here and one line in the middle. So in this case I will explode the rectangle by using explode command. X enter. You can use the explode command from here also in the modify toolbar. I am using the shortcut X enter. So this rectangle is exploded now. O enter, 25 enter, 25. Click here, click downward, click here, click upward. Take the line command L enter. Join line from this midpoint to the other midpoint. Now I will draw the second window. My second window is 1800 by 250, which is for the exterior wall. REC, shortcut for rectangle. Click here, 1800, 250, enter. And we have two lines 50 mm on top and bottom. So I will explode the rectangle again. X enter, O enter, 50 enter. Take line command L enter. Join from this midpoint to this midpoint. Now we have the symbol for the windows. We have two types of windows, one for the interior wall, one for the exterior wall. Both are there now. Now we will draw this door. In the previous lecture I showed you how to draw the door by using blocks. Now I will draw the door manually for you. So for this we have the symbol of door like this here. We have the rectangle here 75 by 150, and we have another rectangle here which is of 75 by 900. So I will draw both the rectangles. First I will draw the smaller rectangle. First I have to select the door layer, then I will take rectangle, click here 75, 150, enter. Then we have another rectangle 75 by 900, REC, 75, 900. We have these two rectangles here. Now we have to draw this arc. So in order to draw this arc, we can take this center, start, end arc, because we have 3 points: this center point of arc, this start point, and the other will be the end point. So I will take this arc, start, center, end. I will click here, and then click here. So this rectangle will be on the other side of the door as it is in the drawing. Then I will make a copy. So my door is here now. Now the direction of the door is on the other side. I can mirror this door. So now I will fix the doors and windows. So all these windows are at the midpoint, while the distance for door is given as 300. So I will fix the door first. I will make a copy. First I have to draw the reference point for the door. So for this I will take the line command and bring my cursor at the end point. I didn't click. Now I put 300. Now my line will start from 300. So better to draw it by in wall layer. I'll enter 300. Here we go. We have 3 doors here, and we have one big double door, the main door, which is 2500. So in this case I will write 2500 and take a line here as well. Press escape to exit the command, and I have one door here which is 300. I'll enter 300, a line here. So now I know that exact location for all the doors. Just I will copy the door, CO for copy, take from this midpoint. I will switch off the ortho now, bring it here, bring it here, and bring it here. Okay, and bring it here as well. Now I will rotate. Select this RO for rotate. Switch on the ortho again, like this. Now this I can mirror it because it rotated in the other direction. I have two options: I can rotate it again or I can mirror it as well. So now this is the correct direction. So I will move it now. Switch off the ortho. I was looking for the end point, but enter. Here we are. Now this double door is remaining. For this I will delete this rectangle and I will mirror it. MI for mirror. Take this as reference line, switch on my ortho and say no. It was asking to delete the source object. I don't want to delete the source object, so I will copy now, switch off the ortho again. You can switch on or off your ortho at any time for your convenience. So here you are. Now I will delete these extra portions from the door. TR double enter. So I think that's it now. it is completed. Now I will fix the windows. I have one window here. I can change the color also for the door. The green color was better, so I will change the color to green. Okay, it is much better now. So now I will put the windows. So I have one window here, one here, one here. For exterior walls I have 3 vertical windows. So this was my window for exterior wall. I will copy this here, from here to here. I will rotate, RO, rotate, switch on my ortho. Take from this midpoint and bring it here to this midpoint. I will copy now for these two. The other exterior walls, one is here at this midpoint and other here at this midpoint. So now I have these two vertical windows. This, copy this window from this midpoint to here, and I think we have deleted this line here. Oh, enter 150, enter. I think in trimming we have deleted this line, so this is obviously needed here. Now I can use extend command if I want to extend this line to this point. So EX, double enter. This is the extend command, so this is not needed. I will use extend again. And here I can draw one line. That's it, I think. Yes. Now we need a window here. And then we need a window here. So where is the midpoint? Is saw the midpoint. Yes, here we go. This is the midpoint. So all the windows are done now. These are the windows. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 exterior wall windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 of the interior wall windows. This one window is remaining. Here again, this is, oh, enter 50, enter. This was deleted, so I put it again. Let me rotate it first. I think that's it. We have completed all the windows. Yes. Now we will put the hatches. So for hatches we go to the draw toolbar, we click this hatch command, and first we have to select the hatch layer. Give the hatch command, go to this block hatches, so click here, yes, 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 here, 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 in this wall, in this wall, in this wall, in this wall, and finally here, this is small wall, and here in this wall as well. It's not coming here. Yes. So all the hatches are done now. One thing you have to note that if I give the hatch command, I change the scale. So if your scale is not suitable, you can change the scale. I changed the scale to 15 because my hatch was not okay. So all the hatches are there now. I can delete these geometries. So now I will put the columns. I have two columns, 250 by 450 and 150, 350. So first I will select the column layer, 450 by 250, REC, 450, tab 250, REC again, 150, 350, comma 150. Now I will put the hatches. Select hash from the draw toolbar, select solid this time, and bring here and bring here. That's it. Now we have hatches here, we have columns here, vertical columns 1 2 3 4 5 6. First I will copy this here, I don't want two columns, just one column. Why it is like this? Let me put the hatch again. So rotate, copy, I will take this point, bring it here, take this end point, this end point, and this end point, Then we have a column here and also vertical column, so I can copy. We have two columns here, horizontal columns. There's a problem in this. Better to delete this thing. Do it again like this. It's much better now. So I have these small columns, 1, 2 here, and that's it, I think. So I will copy this column, take from this, endpoint, one column here also. Okay, I think we have drawn all the columns, we have drawn all the doors, windows. So now we will put the dimensions and then we will put the hatches. So we can put the text first. For this we will put the text layer. We will switch on our text layer as our current layer. Take this text here, write the bedroom 1, click anywhere outside. So this is here now, but it is very small and cannot be visible. So we have to increase the text height here. So since it is very small, I will put 100 and check. It didn't change. 100, enter. So still it is small. Let me take 300. So I think it is much better now. So bedroom 1. So like this you can put all the text. You can copy it here from, first you can copy it here. We have forget about this line, this portion here. So this air vent is 1850. So O enter. This is a single line, yes. O enter 1850, enter. O enter 150, enter. Give the hatching also. So I can move. So this bedroom 1, this was bedroom 2. We can double click to edit the text. This was air vent. This was toilet. This is dining area. This is drawing room first. Drawing room. And this was dining area. Dining area. This is kitchen. Okay. So our floor plan is completed now. Everything is there except the dimensions. Now we will put the dimensions. So for this I will go here in the annotation text, go for this dimension linear. We need this dimension. First you have to select the dimension layer also. This is the dimension layer. If you want, you can change the color for dimension layer, since green is the color for the text. Green is the color for door, so you can change the color for dimension. So for dimension you can take any other color. So you can see these dimensions are not visible. So for this you have to go to dimension style, de-enter, click on modify, go here, text height. I will give the text height to anything 200, and arrow also I will change to 200. Click OK, click close. So it is visible now. Select the dimension layer. We'll use match property to match, put it in dimension layer. Again dimension, So sometimes it can happen. It's 2994. Yeah, because we have slight distance here, so you can fix this. Oh, enter. Anyways, you can fix it. So that's it. I think all the dimensions are there now. Okay, now we have this text here. We can put this text also. Just copy this here. Note all dimensions are in millimeter. Exterior wall thickness is 250 mm. Interior wall thickness is 150 mm. If you want, you can increase this text height. And that's it. And that's the end for today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.